Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make Freddy Fazbear in Infinite Craft. So in order to make him, we just need to formulate in here some elements. Put water right here and then put wind on that. We have wave. And on this wave right here, let's put in here another element. Put water and then fire for that. We have steam. Now on this steam right here, let's merge them. We have surf. So since we already have that, let's put in here another wave. We have surfer. So for this one, let's put earth right here. Then put in here wind. Now we have dust. So for this, let's put another wind on that. Now we have sandstorm. So for this, let's merge them together. We have sandman. So since we already have that, let's put in here another surfer. We have dream. So on dream, let's put another dream. We have nightmare. So for this one, let's put in here dust. And then let's put in here earth. Now we have planet. So since this one, let's put another steam. And we have steampunk. Let's add earth right there. We have robot. So since we already have that, let's put planet right there. We have cyborg. And on the cyborg, let's merge them together. We have Freddy. Now let's put fire on the Freddy. We have Freddy Fazbear. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!